all from vocabulary and grammar, students. So you need to carefully prepare it, because even though it's only 20 marks, it could come from anywhere. But one thing you must remember is that part A, all the questions will come from exercises that are behind your textbook. Okay, so 1 to 8, all the bits are from behind your textbooks. Now after having done part A for 20 marks, we will move on to part B. Okay, now on your screen you see part B, which is you have to answer 5 questions, and each is for 12 marks, and 5 into 12 is 60 marks. So part B is for 60 marks. 5 questions: 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 questions, but here you have internal choice. Okay, so you need to answer either A or B of 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now let me take you to your syllabus so that you know what is going to come in these questions. That is 9 to 13, each for 12 marks. So internal choice, you have to answer 5 questions, so you get your 60 marks. Now if you look at your units in semester 4, unit 1 has got a poem and a prose. Unit 2 has got a poem and a prose. Unit 3 has got a poem and a prose. Okay, so prose lesson. So you will be tested your 9, 10 and 12 question. The 9th question, the 10th question and the 12th question is from prose and poem. So you have 3 poems: The Flower by Alfred Tennyson, you have the poem Ecology by A.K. Ramanujam, and the poem Television by Roald Dahl. And you have 3 prose lessons. You have The Kite Maker by Ruskin Bond. You have What's the Language of the Future by Henry Hitchings. And you have The Fringe Benefits of Failure and the Importance of Imagination by J.K. Rowling. Do you see that? 3 poems and 3 prose is what you have for your syllabus in the 4th semester. Now question 9, you could get 2 poems, and you could get one either Flower, Ecology and or Television, and you have an internal choice and you have to write an answer for one of them. Okay, that would be 9. Question 10, A or B would be from the prose lesson. So you could either get a choice between Kite Maker, What's the Language of the Future, or The Fringe Benefits of Failure and the Importance of Imagination. So you prepare, so that would be question 9 and 10. 9 would be a choice between 2 poems, 10 would be a choice between 2 prose lessons. Now for question 12, you have to attempt either a prose or a poem again. So whatever is left will come. So what technically is happening here is all the 3 poems and all the 3 prose lessons, you will get a question each. Now in what combination you will get, we don't know. So you have to prepare 2 prose lessons and 2 poems very, very well, and 1 prose lesson and 1 poem Thanda Thanda, so that you can go through it. Did you get what I'm trying to say? Because question 9 is the choice is between 2 poems. Question 10, the choice is between 2 prose lessons. So 4 done there. And question 12 is a choice between a poem, what is left, the poem that is left and the prose lesson that is left. So you have to choose, you have to make a choice. So if you know 2 prose lessons and 2 poems very well, you are safe. And the other 2 you need to prepare. Okay, so we will be sending you summaries because it's for 12 marks. We will give you detailed summary, context and introduction to the poem. So you will be able to attempt these questions. Okay, don't leave anything out. That's what I'm trying to say. 3 prose lessons, 3 poems. Prepare all of them, because you will have to attempt it in some way or the other, because we don't know how the choice is going to be jumbled up. Now we will go on to the next 2 questions, which is 11 and 13.